she waits, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bell. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus.
Take me back to my home, to a place where I belong. Times have changed, so have I. Now I long to go back home.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama Lodi!
Balik, be.
Happy 60th wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa! Yeah! Nay nga lang, nay Mama Lodi, Papa Lodi na! Happy wedding! Wait lang. Ano na to? Happy 60th wedding anniversary, Mama Lodi and Papa George.
Napaitingin.
Happy 60th wedding anniversary, Mama Lodi and Papa George.
Last day, final na final.
Kung saan
Happy 60th wedding anniversary, Mama Lodi and Papa George. 60th.